So, our next topic will be actually VMware Cloud Director. I know that's somehow unusual because we was on different road. We was on uh, somehow for a VCAP preparation exam scenario and something like lab design and lab infrastructure and lab troubleshooting. But I would say uh, also I want to introduce it new videos which is I have in my mind for future, and that would be the product from VMware called VMware vCloud Director or VMware Cloud Director, which is that's really handy for I would say that on-premises data centers, which is they want to have their own cloud, and in the other hand, they can also replicate that own data to the public cloud, like whatever cloud we have around the world already. And that's a really, I would say, amazing software which is provided by VMware. And we have lots of function and functionality there. Uh, regarding that cloud migration, that operational and visibility inside, regarding elastic secure virtual data centers, multi-site resiliency management, and lots of things. And that's really cool because also that can be integrated with lots of VMware software inside that, as an resource cluster, you can have uh, lots of I would say possibility for have the different network things, for have the storage things, and you can do a lot with that software. And also you can also provide your customer like the GPU as a service, and that's really cool. I already browsed that some hands-on lab experience, which is that VMware prepared for a vCloud Director, as I think that one is that VMware Cloud provider platform disaster recovery and migration using actually VMware uh, availability, and let me maximize that for you. And here you can see there is a region A again and region B like the other scenario, you know. And on a region A, we have that like provider and tenant A, and again, site availability A, and site availability and on-premises. And so the rest of things, which is I don't want to talk about that now because that's a really huge topic for talking about that all functions and everything about that vCloud Director, But somehow I want to talk about that really interesting, I would say, software like that provider. And when you log into that VMware Cloud Director provider, you can see here you have the great benefit of how you can share your own hardware with a layer of really thin layer of virtualization things called exactly that E6i. And after that, with the combination of storage and network things like NSX, you can have your own cloud, and actually you can sell your actually stuff uh, to the customers. Here you can see that's in a cloud resources. That's an overview of that main console of VMware Cloud Director. And I think that would be 10.3 or something, which is that really look like. Yes, version 10.3. And there is an normally you have to create that organization, and after that you have to create that a VDC for that organization, and after that you have to create some internal networks, you have to create some connectivity for external things like that edge gateway, which is that's totally based on NS6 works, and that's a really good feature. Also here you have that infrastructure resources, that you can see here that vCenter server instances. You can have that more than one instances here, and which is they shared already here, is VCSA01A core.local, and which is you can see here that's already added here as an instance. So uh, I want to go through actually for some next videos about how that vCloud director works, how we can actually work with that console, how we can manage it, how we can create a backup of it, what's the function of each parts of that vCloud director. Also here, for example, there is a host. You can see the host is there, which is like E601 and E602 as a resource cluster, because in this scenario of that vCloud directory, you have two different cluster, you know, and one cluster is called that management cluster. You put that all the stuff in there. And for second cluster, you have that resource cluster, which is you put that customer and tenants virtual machines there. And you can host it all data on that resource cluster, you know. And there is a lots of benefit of using that vCloud director for a company who wants to actually host it on cloud and sell as a multi-tenancy things to the customer. Just that's an really beginning of that vCloud director series, and after that videos I will create that additional, and I don't know how many videos regarding that vCloud director as I can. And also I will follow that again regarding that VCAP exam. Don't worry about that. I will follow that, and I will create that lots of video about that scenario and labs for a VCAP DCV deploy exam. And sorry, for each, I try to actually create that really short videos. I would say under the 10 minutes, because I don't want to took a long time for created videos, and after that editing and publishing, that took really long time for me. But stay with me. Don't worry about the rest of VCAP videos. I will create the rest. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click on bell and turn on the notification for new videos, and if you have any idea regarding, I don't know, the new video series, if you have any question, if you have any idea about that things, you can simply put the comment down below, and I try to, as soon as possible, take action for your request. I will reply you. I will see your messages, and I will keep in touch with you. Don't worry about that. Stay with me.